Hey, let's learn the Chinese idiom. 鸟飞兔走. Literally, it means birds fly and rabbits run. Picture birds soaring through the sky and rabbits dashing across the ground, both moving at great speed. This idiom vividly describes how time passes swiftly. It's like life's moments are fleeting, just as these animals quickly move on. For example, looking back on my childhood, I realize how fast time has gone by, like 鸟飞兔走. Now you know how to express the rapid passage of time with this vivid idiom. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like and save button so you can get recommendations next time.